Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta Realtor, coming to you live and direct from East Cobb. It's another home that we're going to preview today. It's 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath custom home by Delight. I previewed the sister house here a couple of weeks ago, and I'll put a link to it there so you can see it. And I'm excited to show you this house. It's got detail all throughout, luxury. I know you're gonna like it. It's a great area. The location is amazing. This is one of the most highly desired areas in Metro Atlanta. Okay, so it's gonna be really good that you see this. It's close to the Chattahoochee, which is something that I like. So if you're into nature, it's not far from that. Lots of shopping, great schools, and I know you're gonna love this house. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. If you look in the description, you'll see a buyer's guide. So this will help you if you're looking to buy a house in Atlanta. It's a free gift from me, and it'll give you a step-by-step process on things that you need to do to go through the buying process. I also have a guide for sellers, and if you're looking to sell your house, this can help you out. All right, so both of those links are in the description. I look forward to showing you this home. Definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel, and when you do, that actually motivates me to put out more and more content. So subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question, because this neighborhood here is going to have 3 more houses in it. All right, so you get to come and pick your house, but I really want you to see the inside of it, and definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this house. Let's start your tour. Take a look at this beautiful custom 2-story home in East Cobb in the Estates at Woodlawn Subdivision. The listing agent is Lona Ohevshalom with Greatest Atlanta Realty. This custom home was designed and built by Delicate Incorporated Construction. It features 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 1 half bath, and has a bright open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. This 5,137 square foot home is a mix of contemporary and traditional flair in one of Atlanta's most desirable areas, East Cobb. It is located in a quiet neighborhood with 5 custom homes. The well-appointed kitchen and living space are truly the heart of this home. Designed to entertain, this home includes a master on the 2nd level, a large kitchen island, a walk-in pantry, a wine/coffee bar, a covered porch, and a large living room with a centrally located fireplace. Extras include a breakfast room, private office, dining room, and a room which could easily be a study or flex room. It has lots and lots of details, and it is close to shopping and plenty of green space, including the Chattahoochee River. This gorgeous home is located in Marietta, Georgia, in the Cobb County School District. Local schools include Soap Creek Elementary, Dickerson Middle, and Walton High School. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we're back. What did you think about this 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath home here in East Cobb? I liked it. I would really like to know your thoughts on it. I hope you got some value out of seeing this video. If you, again, would like a buyer's guide, if you're interested in buying a home, look in the description and you'll get a free buyer's guide where I give you a step-by-step process of things you need to do in order to make your transition from buying, in the home buying process smoother. There we go. And also make sure you look in there if you're a seller as well. There's also a guide for you guys so you can get your house ready to sell in this hot market. All right. So once again, this has been Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta Realtor. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, because the more I see that gives me an incentive to continue to put these videos out for you guys. I know you're enjoying them and I really appreciate your feedback. And definitely leave a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm looking forward to doing more of these for you guys. Have a great day. Oh, and the contact information is right there if you want to get in touch with me directly. All right. Once again, this has been Carlton Lewis signing out. East Cobb. Have a great day. Peace.